If you want to learn how to make these really cool gradient waves in Illustrator using the blend tool, keep watching. Alright, for this project, we're going to go ahead and go over to our rectangle tool, and then we're going to make a black box. I think for this project, it is best to have a black background so we can see all the colors. Then we're going to go ahead and make our way over to the line segment tool. You can go ahead and find it over there, or you can either use the backslash on your keyboard. And then when we create our lines, we want to ensure that we're using a white stroke so we can see it on this black background. And then also the size of this stroke, I believe, was 0.25. It's best to have thinner lines. Now once we've duplicated our lines, we're going to go ahead and select them and then make our way up to the Windows tab and then go all the way down until we see gradient. And then it's going to go ahead and open a window, and then you're going to go ahead and make your own gradient, or maybe you downloaded some off the internet. Whatever you do though, you want to ensure the gradient is set as the stroke and is set as a radical blur gradient. Alright, and then once you copied all of these settings, our line should now display the gradient that you've either made or you've chosen. So we're going to go ahead, select that, go to Object, and then go all the way down until we see Blend. I'm going to go down to Blend Options, and this is where you may need to kind of change your numbers and whatnot, but you do want to ensure you're on specified steps, you're on that first orientation, and then for this one, I use 225, but anywhere between 225 and 300 is a good value for this. We're then going to make our way back up to Object, go to Blend, and then Make, and now you should see all of these lines displaying that gradient you made. Then we're going to go ahead to our Pencil tool, which you can also select by doing N on your keyboard. And here you're going to go ahead and make that really cool shape, or you can even do lines, just kind of whatever you desire. And once you have that shape made, you're going to go ahead and make sure it's set to fill rather than stroke. That's really important. And then we're going to go ahead and drag that shape and make sure it's on the very top of those lines. If it's behind, it's not going to work. Now we're going to go ahead and make sure everything is selected, make our way back up to Object, and then envelope distort and make with the top object. And there you go, you have this really cool abstract shape that has a lot of details on it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.